Welcome to Health Today. I'm your host, Sonia Jones, and today I'm here with Dr. Stephen Taylor. Dr. Taylor is a family medicine doctor servicing the O'Fallon and surrounding areas. Dr. Taylor, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
So, Dr. Taylor, why did you want to become a doctor?
I wanted to become a doctor because I was in undergrad and I was studying physics and I like science and I like solving puzzles but then I also liked helping people. So I started to go, well, the application of science. And so the application of science and helping problems is medicine aspect. And so I went into medicine for that and then still like to do a little bit of everything. So then family medicine is the way to go.
Yeah, tell me about family medicine. What exactly is that?
So family medicine is comprehensive care. So it's all ages, all genders, all groups, and trying to provide comprehensive medicine care for you. But also to integrate just your primary care and your prevention, but also all of your specialists. And so trying to make sure that everybody knows what's going on, or at least one person knows, and that's your family medicine doctor, of what all is going on with every organ and everything going on there. And so it's that doctor that does a little bit of everything is the big part.
Well, Dr. Taylor, I know I have a primary care physician, and I know how important that is. Why do you see that as being important?
So for a couple of reasons. One is that with healthcare reform happening, we're trying to reduce costs as much as possible, and that everybody is supposed to be getting insurance. And so part of that idea is that we're reducing costs by having a primary care doctor has been shown to reduce cost as much as possible in healthcare, and also to try to keep you out of the urgent care or the ER for everything. And so my office staff and I strive to keep people away from the urgent care and the ER if we can by fitting them in. And so I strive each day to, if I do request, if you call me early in the morning so I can plan my day a little bit, then I will try to get you in that day to handle whatever illness has come up.
How do you and your staff deliver patient-first care?
My staff and I deliver patient-first care by listening to your problems. And so I want to make sure that we listen to your needs and address all of those needs in one appointment if possible.
What is it about being a family medicine doctor that you find most rewarding?
When patients refer their family or their friends to me as well, and so that you've built that trust with that patient enough that they're willing to not just have you be their doctor, but also that they're trusting their family or their friends with you as well. And so those referrals that we get from family members and from friends are highly important and highly valued, because then you're noticing that, yes, they trust you enough that they're going to trust you with their loved ones as well.
If you could give your patients one piece of advice about maintaining their health, what would that be?
If I could give my patients one piece of advice, part of that would be prevention. And so immunizations is the biggest thing out there. And so if we look at healthcare today, immunizations are the biggest thing that we have that prevents disease. After that, of course, it's hygiene and then it's exercise. And so, as long as you're maintaining that healthy lifestyle of balance and then doing the exercise part to help out with your health, that the big things that I can offer you are typically not in forms of pills and medications. It's in forms of advice and health and trying to prevent that disease before it even happens.
Well, Dr. Taylor, thank you so much for spending time with us today. It's been an absolute honor and a pleasure getting to know you and hear more about your practice. And I would encourage everyone to come out to O'Fallon and see you and your staff. So thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks for joining us with Health Today. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching Health Today. Be sure to stay up to date on future episodes by clicking the subscribe button.